to say welcome back, welcome back. Not recorded anything in a while simply because I got 2 teeth pulled, y'all. I've been down for the count. I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're already subscribers, welcome. If you're not, please give me a chance to get you guys to subscribe to my channel. My name is Michelle from Michelle's Home. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. And please, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Let me get a little sugar for my tea. Let's see what happened. I got a little work done in the basement of the house. Some water. Water pipes were replaced, so the water company gave me this zero water 5-stage age advanced filtration picture. It's very chic. This zero dissolved solids for the purest tasting water. Okay. We can see. So cute, guys. And then you can do it as this way as well. If you don't want to pour, you can use this. This is so cute. I like that. Zero water. Right here, we'll let the water filter through and put the thermometer on top. Yes, I love this. This is going right there. Good morning. I am back. I wanted to say hi. Even though I've been out for a while, I still got content recorded for you guys. I'm definitely doing Vlogmas. I'm so nervous, but I'm gonna do it. I got so much already recorded, but I am definitely gonna record some more. I got cookies. We got pajama movie night, me and the girls. We got cookie making, treats and all that, and yeah, I gotta go get my nails done for Thanksgiving. We got Thanksgiving Thanksgiving grocery haul, as well as Thanksgiving grocery haul. We're gonna go grocery shopping, then I'm gonna do the haul, and then we're gonna cook. I'm gonna be making show you guys my menu and everything that I have for the Thanksgiving dinner. It's just gonna be me and my girls, of course. No one else, I don't think, is coming other than my brother, y'all. He comes to get him a plate. I just told him to please bring some containers. You're not getting any more of my containers. Bring the ones you have already. So, yeah, he got my containers, but yeah, he called me last night, man. What you cooking, man? I know you cooking. I know you cooking. I said, of course I'm cooking. Just come over and make sure you have your own containers. So, yeah. My mouth feels so much better, y'all, since they pulled them two. They pulled 2 teeth. This man pulled them teeth. Let me put this down. Yesterday, I got my teeth pulled. He pulled them teeth so fast. My whole bottom now was talking like it was so heavy. So yeah, I got my teeth pulled. And like I said, I feel so much better. Now I can cook and eat in peace. So this is something I got from Amazon. I want to open it up with you guys. I got the candles that I'm gonna use to go with it. They're a little reddish, but hey, when it's lit up here, you know, let's see how many batteries I need. As a matter of fact, let's go get some batteries. Let me get my battery case and no, you lying. Oh, I gotta put a what's the name on for it to start. Okay, I was gonna go off. Oh, so gorgeous. So you really not gonna be able to tell that I'm just waiting on that. And then I got a blower coming for my big 12-foot in black Santa. I got the blower. It doesn't work. Just got it last year, but hey, I bought a $15 blower from Amazon. I'll be putting that in the description. I've already put these in the description. They're in my Shop My haul for Christmas, so yeah, those are in there. Those they came from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, and the garland, the burgundy garland came from Hobby Lobby. The bells came from Hobby Lobby. Was I not just sitting there? Who asked him to flip and come and get in my spot? Look at that. Don't that look cute? My garland and my jingle bells. Let's get closer. Let's turn you around first. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at the jingle bells. And the picks. Like these are the picks that I added. There go one, there go one, there go one. Two right here. Oh, so cute. But I got these from Hobby Lobby. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I am back, y'all. I am back. I had got a couple of phone calls, so I had to take care of that. Guys, the candles. Let me show you guys the candles. Oh, let's see. Look at those. Like, that is so cute. Let me turn the light out so y'all can see it. Like, they are gonna look so good. Once the other piece comes, honey, yes. It's gonna look so good. I can't wait. It already is standing out, but where they are going to be, honey. Like I said, I got tomorrow, so after the funeral, we probably end up going to the grocery store to get our Thanksgiving food, and I got me some tea. Say hello to Santa. I mean the snowman. I love this. It's nice and big. Like, it's bigger than the other cups I got. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and hopefully the piece to go with the candle will be here soon. And then the blower for my Santa will be here, and that way we can decorate outside. That can be a video. I'm waiting on that. That should be here today. If it comes today, then we're doing outside. Even though it's cold as ever, honey, I will put my jogging suit back on. Put me a scarf around my mouth so that cold air won't get in there, honey. And we'll be going outside. Alright, so I got that in there. Put a little sea salt and a little black pepper. And I am going to mix that together. I don't want no onions. I just want me some cream cheese. I know that sounds weird, but it's so good together with avocado toast. Alright guys, this is breakfast. Avocado toast with cream cheese and a cup of tea. Hey y'all, hey. Ooh, let me turn this down. We are done with that funeral. It is over. So I'm just waiting for him to come out from where he is. We're going to get some peanut butter and some eggs. I want some peanut butter cookies. I want some cookies, so that's what we are going to do. When he, whew, child, when he gets out of there. So yeah, the funeral was very nice. It went kind of long, but not too long. He ran in there to do something I had, so I'm just waiting on him. Okay, so I got some zip ties. Let's hope this works. And look at this. See? Fucking bending. About to break. Okay. Now let's see if I can put it right down the freaking middle. Yes. Let's put that on first. Right at the base. Yes, come on. It's like, I'm gonna there. Ha. Yeah. So, as y'all can see, half of my lights is working. So I'm gonna take this stuff off and see what's wrong with it and try to fix it. I had to make me a drink. I'm taking it off. Taking all off. Ribbons, everything. Alright, y'all, it's coming together. I took it all apart, put some more lights on there. I don't know what happened to my lights, but alright, y'all, I'm finally done redecorating it, fixing it, putting more lights on it. If I tell you how much trouble this, but I wanted to show you how the topper looks. And I'm just waiting on the burgundy ornaments to go on there with the burgundy candles, the burgundy garland, the burgundy nutcrackers, poinsettias, and the the couch covers. It looks so cute. This is how I wanted it to look. I already broke a piece, but you can't really tell. I just got it up there, but hey. I have had a time. I'm supposed to have been making chicken, cooking, but of course I haven't done it.